muna whatever chibe anchored, not only chibe anchored, but also chibe sustained through a particular fund, so that umwano na gako ende school ya toka nganare umwano le naisa ndege toka ende school. Nto nywale ke case muna keliki umwano le West Pokot igole duka, tenga masomo tali kumokonya.
Mbia mono Nyakundi ndaiteli tangani monto bwe boldi swali ine konyenga ya maberale ine konyenga yi ibirasi bune bigabya isidibire ine ebinte bitoka ndeta kukwanira bune bitoko igora bono gaiga togo chake foundation ye kriye kokorosia factory ya mabere konyenga ibi yarenge ebi kare tu boldi swali liga abo ntoko nyora amachibu number 1. The county government of Kisii has managed to raise more money and make more savings. Kera kuwa make savings yani jibe shirikonyogo tumeka bono kwa toirenge korwa chiabeire. That's when you can introduce chi program bune chiga. Another time muna rengege sa as a studio ya utu arenge komo ngatebanga the control of budget, not governor Simba, the control of budget otenere the jibe sa chia Kenya otebirenga Kisii county government ya make savings of 1 billion, a billion yemo ya make una savings because chiko saving naro kumuleka kirebe sera se county ko control of budget otebire Kisii ya rosi die billion yemo una savings this swali ine savings yechi nkaichigo cha one of the places savings is chigochia 300 million chachira se basari. The highest basari to arulege sa yes atongete Kisii county is this one to aruete. Na kero monto apply te basari ntanga sabuno mwaziri taraba tebi. As long as kwa bege te kerege nto kirigiata keira se basari. Ota kiritie kure wodi ngao oga pikia sa ngao. Mongino ata imogetia form no mogaka kaimokia. As long as you apply it genuinely, you will get 5,000 shillings. It is there already. We have agreed on principle. 300 million from those savings. We are doing about 200 million ye project and another 200 million operations. About 400 million is going there. And many other programs. So these programs Chigocha Nyakundi, Chigocha out of deliberate decisions chomontore in charge ye county. Because the leadership ye county. Mnanati ekagoteba. Lero iga county ekara mangana ya afya ya HBS abune serikali. Tinigoteba afya ya HBS ya banyabiasara lakini ya serikali. It is doing very well in terms of liquidity was HBS. Because it's collecting a lot of money. The issue is this is what we are doing with that money. This is what the county assembly has budgeted for.